guys, welcome back to my channel today. So my name is Nancy. If for those who don't know me, please be subscribed to my channel to watch my future video tutorial about my brows. Yes, this video was highly requested. A few people have been asking me how I do my brows, and I focus of how to do the angle, how not to cover the camera, how not to be so fast at it. I try my best and my hardest on this video. It's a really short mini video, but I hope you guys like it, so please keep on watching. And for those who are new, hello, my name is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see more of my future videos, please don't forget to subscribe at the bottom and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to see more of my videos when I upload and don't want to miss anything, also click that bell below so you can get notified whenever I upload.
Next, I'm grabbing the spoolie. Any kind of spoolie is fine. What you need to do with the spoolie is just brush your brow hairs up. I'm taking a thin brush and this pomade by Catrice Cosmetics, and I'm gonna put this right on the end of the corner of my eyebrow. Right now what I'm doing is just filling in my brow, and I'm gonna take the little streaks up and down for my brow, gently, light-handed. I'm also filling in my brow, and right after I'm done at the bottom, I'm gonna start from the top of my brow and work it out to the end. I know pomades might be hard to work on, but if you take practice, it will get you better at it. I remember the first time I used the pomades, it was so terrible. Eyebrow literally looked like it was a tattoo eyebrow. That's how bad it was. Next, I'm taking this brow powder by Anastasia in the color medium. So I add this powder at the front of my brow and at the end of my eyebrow area. Next, I go back with my spoolie and I'm brushing my hairs up, and this will help a lot to blend in the pomade with my brows. Next, I'm taking this lighter shade from my pomade and adding it where I messed up my brow a little bit, where it needs to be fixed. One, two, three.
This is the final result of my eyebrows. I hope you guys like and love how I do my eyebrows, because I was so excited to do this video and especially show you, because this video has been highly requested, like millions of billions of times. I have been asked to do an eyebrow tutorial, but I didn't know how to do it or how to put my angle so you guys could see like how I do my eyebrows. I don't want my hand to be all over the place, so I try my hardest. I hope you guys give it a try of how I do my my eyebrows. But I hope you guys like this video and this was helpful to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.